I was very surprised. Nobody has kept this in last so many years.
Yeah.
And this migrant issue people are facing from last 20, 25 years. When I was small, I remember, and when I started my career, I went to Bombay. So I also faced a similar thing. And every second person next door neighbor must have been facing this problem. So issue was local and problem is global. So we thought let's catch on this. And thanks to Manoj, he gave me this film.
Growing hair, losing weight, gaining weight, it's just the exterior part of it that can be taken care of.
Yeah.
The most difficult part is reaching to the deep, of each and every character. Really going inside and analyzing the soul and the inner system and the brain of the character, which is the most difficult part. That how we do it, I keep changing my approach and method. Uh, keep learning keep learning new ways to do characters. Keep learning the craft, try to hone it all the time. And the preparation, is sometimes the preparation is 1 year, sometimes preparation is 2 months. In Bhosle's case, for 4 years we didn't get the producer, so the preparation was on.
Yeah.
By the time we reached the set, I was completely, I didn't have to really do too much. Since the character was already in me, we conducted a workshop for 3-4 days and just gone on the set. And that because 4 years of not getting producers, sitting with the director, talking to him, chatting with him, going through the script, thinking about the character, trying to practicing, rehearsing, that used to happen in the gaps. So yes, Bhosle, the character, was really detailed and worked in full detail. And this film was very challenging for me, as I was giving the shot, going in the corner and calling people, and for money for the shooting. So one mind was on getting the money for the rest of the shoot, and the other mind was on the scene.
Yeah.
And looking at all the facilities and the management and the organization in the shoot itself, and taking care of each and everyone from a distance. Yes, it was a difficult task to do this kind of a difficult role and still try to organize money. Was quite difficult.
OTT, we wanted to do a theatrical release, but then lockdown happened.
Yeah.
This film was supposed to release in March, April, but then lockdown happened. We thought it's already 2 years, and because it took 1 year to circulate in all across film festival all over the world. So we got an opportunity to do OTT, and OTT is also a very good platform for films, for content-driven films, right? And the best part about OTT is you have a shelf life of months, years. So, and going forward, next 1 year, I don't see people releasing in theaters.
I started doing short films many years back, okay? And 3 of the short films that I was part of, they have done wonders on YouTube. And that gave me a lot of strength and also told me about the reach of the content. And when Family Man came to me, we didn't know. I mean, we wanted to make a great product, but it has gone international. I mean, it is international means truly international. It's not that an Indian based in America is the only one who's watching.
Yeah.
Rather, the whites and the colors, all of them are all over the world are watching Family Man. So this Family Man has really crossed the boundaries everywhere, and which has given us a lot of happiness for the entire team. It was critically acclaimed, and the reach that it has achieved is remarkable. And now OTT on OTT platform Bhosle is releasing. I can guarantee you one thing. I can guarantee him one thing. I could not guarantee him in theater as to how many people will come, to see the film.
Yes.
Because in theater there are too many dynamics, it starts working. What kind of theater you are getting, what shows you are getting.
And you cannot have worldwide release.
Yeah, you cannot have worldwide release for such a small film. Then you have 9 o'clock show. Nobody will go to see a film like Bhosle. If it is 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock show, nobody will go to see a film like Bhosle. So and whether you will get the right shows or not, there are too many things. I can guarantee him one thing today. That because of the lockdown, when everybody is at home, he will get an audience that many big mainstream can't get in a theater. That much guarantee I can give.
Yes,
Because
I'm
people
sure.
are looking for content. People are looking for content. They are at home. They want to see something worthwhile. They want to see something
Different.
Something different. They are exposed to all kind of cinema today. The trailer is humongous. Okay, it's tracking, it's trending everywhere. People are curious. They're excited to see this film on Sony Live. Sony Live has just been launched, but I can tell you one thing, just by my observation, that many people are subscribing to it. Also, not only it's Sony and it's a big name, but also because somewhere in a small film like Bhosle is creating a lot of interest. I have what, with me, I have always kept my friends alive, not by meeting them, but by calling them, by remembering them, and feeling grateful to them. I feel grateful. I feel grateful to my friends from my college who has supported me, who fed me, who has given me clothes to wear, with people who pulled me out from my low time. I respect my friends from my theater days who were so talented, and they supported me, they admired me, appreciated me. I uh, I kind of remember so many people from the industry, who I feel grateful to. I don't need to meet them or talk to them, tell them. I feel grateful to him for coming in and supporting in making this film.
Yes.
So that gratefulness is there, no? Nivita, then you can find your friends anywhere. Taking a birth in any family is not in your hand. Okay? When I also came to Mumbai, I was also looking for somebody who could have, trust in me, who could really promote me, support me. I was not getting it. But what saved me? What saved me is my pure passion for the craft. Pure passion for what I wanted to do. Okay? That saves you. In your low time, that saves you. Always fight. If you complain about nepotism, always fight with your ability, your skill, your craft. That will save you. Always look at the bigger picture. That nobody, if you are denied your opportunity today, you will be denied your opportunity day after tomorrow, but you will never be denied that opportunity after 1 year. Take it in writing. If you are good, they will have to give you opportunity. They will have to. They can't help it. Everybody knows that I have been rattled, shocked, and disturbed about it. So much so that sometimes I, ignore or avoid talking about it. What was the cause? Nobody knows. How can anybody know? It seems there were too many things happening in his mind. He was in pain. Okay, that's why you take such a drastic step. It's not a small thing that has happened. Everybody now has to look inward and find the answer. And don't run away from the questions. Try to answer those questions by correcting yourself. By correcting, how do you correct? by being good to the talent outside.
Yeah.
Just do that and pray for the peace of the soul. He was a talented boy. This was not an age to go. Pray for him, and pray for his family that they really go through this troubled time with a lot of strength. When you're talking to me, I feel emotional because I knew that guy.
There is no expectation, but I have an expectation in terms of one thing I should say, and I will, that people will tell me on 26th. This is not another film. This is a very, very different cinema, unique cinema, and this was internationally also well appreciated and received by people from all community, be it from America, anywhere, Canada, Busan, Korea, you name anywhere. Similar response we should get in India also. So I have a lot of expectation in terms of people will appreciate it. Good cinema. This I should be calling it a very, very good cinema. It's not that I have produced it or Abhay and Manoj has done it, but then it's a good cinema.